Welcome to my workshop. This is the next part of the video about the felt flowers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these, and then this one, based on the previous ones. They are really easy to make. Fold a strip of felt like this and glue the edge. And we get a little tube. Now cut little strips like this all along the piece. Done. And now, just like in the previous video, fold the piece into a flower, fixing it in place with a drop of glue here and there. Now hide the bottom with a round piece. And look how cool it comes out. Couldn't be easier, right? Another way is to cut the strips diagonally. And now let's see what happens. So cool. I even like this one better. So we've already got these two in our stock. Let's add the third one. Also very simple. Fold the felt in half and this time glue the center instead of the edge. Now it looks like this. Again, cut the strips all along, leaving a bit of space at the top. And roll a shaggy stripe into a flower. This version is my favorite to use as centers in felt flowers. For example, let's make a small strip for the center. And make the petals in the technique from the previous tutorial. And now join these two pieces into one flower. First, roll the center. And then glue the petals around it. Close the bottom, and we're ready. Very nice. To have the full picture, make sure you watch my previous tutorial on felt flowers. In there, I'm also giving some tips on how to choose felt for your flowers.